Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Skin structure, integumentary system. Integumentary system includes skin and its appendages. Skin is the largest organ of the body. The main weight of the skin includes 4 to 5 kgs. The surface area of the skin is 1.4 to 2 meter square. Glabrous skin. Glabrous skin is the non-hairy skin which is present in palms and soles. The layers of human skin. Human skin consists of epidermis, dermis, subcutaneous tissue, and the muscle. Epidermis. Epidermis is 0.1 millimeter to 1 millimeter in diameter. 0.1 millimeter in diameter is seen in eyelids, whereas 1 millimeter diameter epidermis is seen in palms and soles. Stratum lucidum is one of the layer of epidermis which is only present in palms and soles. What are the layers of epidermis? Layers of epidermis include stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum, and stratum basale. As cells move from stratum basale to stratum corneum, that is the basal layer, to the superficial layer, the cells undergo differentiation. The aspects of differentiation include the cells become flat, they lose nuclei, there will be no mitosis or there is loss of mitosis, there is increase in cell size, and the cells become dehydrated. In preterm baby, stratum corneum is not yet formed. Cell kinetics. Cell kinetics. Cell cycle of keratinocytes is 300 hours. So epidermal turnover time is 56 days, that is 52 to 75 days. The cells from the stratum basale to reach stratum corneum, it takes 14 days. In order to cross the stratum corneum, the cells take 14 more days. In order to shed off the cells, it takes 28 days. So total epidermal turnover rate time is around 56 days. In psoriasis, cell cycle is around 36 hours and epidermal turnover time is around 4 days.
thank you and thank you for watching.